Okay, I'm sitting still in the slip this morning, and with the, I've got the gain in manual here, and just sitting here with a clean transducer, not moving. It's a smooth bottom. If I drop below about 60% on the gain, it won't read depth at all. See it? It's blinking up there now. So if I get up here around 60, 61, that's about when it'll actually lock in right there. Seems like a whole lot of gain required just to read 20 feet depth in clean water. I see it's even sketchy here. And that's what it's doing now when it drops below about 8.8 feet. It just starts that blinking. And when I turn this up a little bit here, it's at 90%. When I go back to auto, it seems like it's auto always kind of hanging around about 80 or 90. It's up here. If I go back to auto medium, don't matter if auto high, low, medium, I can see a slight change in the screen. I think that's the same gain range. I think it's just this target's maybe a center line. Just a guess at that. I used to do instrumentation, so that's kind of what seems to be ringing true here. But anyway, so I'm in auto. You can see where it's kind of hanging around all the time. I can go back to manual. I'm going to just touch it. So it was around 95, I think. Anyway, so again, I can go down and it's the same thing that happens when I'm in shallow water. And I've still got that crazy band at the top up here. See, there it goes. It lost lock. So I tried in shallow water putting the gain manually at 100%, and it still wouldn't. We got a bunch of bait fish running around here in the slip this morning. It still wouldn't run. It still wouldn't lock at the. It still wouldn't lock the depth below, and it used to work fine. Last fall when I used it some. I fished a little bit over the winter. This winter I didn't as much. I didn't come up here and get the boat out. So I noticed over the winter I'd get in shallow water and I'd start getting this goofy band up here, and then it wouldn't read shallow. So, and you can see what's going on down here now. I'll go back to that. And if I go to, let me get out of this. If I go to let's see, here we go. Go to noise reject. And I turn on the, see it says surface noise here. If I turn that off, it takes that yellow band out of the top, but it still don't read below about 8.8 feet. I'm beginning to think the transducer is fried. It's a GT52HW. I don't know what else is compatible with this unit. I have a place up here at Car Lake, got a houseboat and this boat, and we fish a lot. But so I've got the lake mapped. Man, I hate to throw this thing out and start all over again. It's taken about 3 years to get a big part of the lake mapped correctly.